Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Lexus IS250 dashboard. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and potential airbag deployment. Next, you will begin by carefully removing various trim pieces and panels that surround the dashboard. Use appropriate plastic trim tools to avoid scratching surfaces. Keep all fasteners organized, perhaps in labeled containers, to ensure a smooth reinstallation process. Moving on, your next step involves the careful removal of the center console assembly. This typically includes detaching the shifter trim, armrest, and any storage compartments. Once the console is out, you will gain access to the passenger side airbag module. It is absolutely critical to handle this component with extreme care. Unbolt the module and gently disconnect its electrical connectors, ensuring no sudden movements or impacts occur. Now, let's focus on the instrument cluster. Begin by removing the screws that secure it in place, usually 2 to 4 fasteners. Once unbolted, gently pull the cluster forward to access the wiring harnesses behind it. There will be several electrical connectors that need to be carefully detached. Take your time here, as these connections can be delicate. Consider labeling complex wiring to ensure everything goes back into its correct position during reassembly. For the final stage, you will need to locate and remove all remaining bolts that secure the main dashboard frame to the vehicle's chassis. These are typically found along the windshield base and on the sides. With all fasteners removed, carefully lift and maneuver the entire dashboard assembly out of the vehicle. This step often requires 2 people due to its size and weight. Once removed, store the dashboard safely in a clean, protected area to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.